Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can record and add voiceover to CapCut PC application. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my CapCut PC, and first thing first, I'm going to add this video to my CapCut timeline or the CapCut track, and I'm going to add voiceover to this video. If we want to add voiceover, we can click on this microphone icon, just tap on it, and then here you will be able to record your voiceover. You can click on this button to start a recording, and I'm going to demonstrate it to you. I'm going to click on this button to start recording. Okay, and you can record your voice. Hello guys, this is my voiceover. Once you're ready to add the voiceover, you can click on this button again. Okay, and now the voiceover has been added to my CapCut project. So this is my voiceover. I'm just going to play it, guys. Wait. Okay, and you can record your voice. Hello guys, this is my voiceover. Okay. Alright guys, then that's all the way to record and add voiceover to our CapCut project. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.